Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Apple ID password on your iPhone. Even if you forgot it, it doesn't necessarily matter. I'm going to walk you through two places that you most likely will be able to find what that password is. And then a third option, if you don't find that password, to easily reset it without even having to know that old password. So let's jump right in. You're first just going to take your finger on your iPhone and swipe down, and it will pop up with search. So let's search for passwords. And you can see a new app called Passwords. So let's just tap on that. You usually need to use your Face ID to unlock it. And next tap on All at the top left. And then just scroll down on here until you find Apple on this list. There's Apple. Tap on Apple. And you can see my username, which is my email address, and right under it is the password. All I need to do is press and hold on it to be able to reveal what it is and to copy it if I wanted to. However, if this doesn't work, let's go to the second option to be able to find that password. So exit out of the Passwords app, and from here we're going to tap on Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. At the top here, swipe over until you find Password Manager and tap on that. This, similar to your iPhone, will show all of the passwords that are built into Google Chrome. You might have saved it into Google in case it's not on your iPhone. So scroll down from here and look for Apple. Again, there is Apple. Tap on apple.com, and again, it will show your email address and your password for your Apple ID. So those are two places to look on your iPhone, but if you don't see them in both of those places, we can reset it without needing to know the old one. To do that, hop out here, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the very top. Tap on Sign In and Security, the second option. Scroll down, tap on Change Password. You can see on here it will use your Face ID or your PIN code to unlock your phone. And then you can see in some instances you might have a security delay where you can go through the process of starting that security delay. Sometimes it takes up to an hour to reset. After you've done that, it will just pop up with a screen that lets you change that password. Keep in mind, this password is not the password to unlock your phone. It is the password for your Apple ID account. You'll be able to update it directly in here without needing to know it previously. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.